dangerous part. Leave your sabers at your station. Back up as far as you can, please. Right now, the Galler is going to insert your nose into the crystal stabilization chambers. We have to stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is quite dangerous. Very dangerous. If something is misaligned, we could have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time, which is also known as an explosion. So before we do anything else, I'll send a test signal through the chamber system. That's a good start. All right, I'm going to send the signal. This control panel connects these chambers in a series of... What's happening?
Many parts over now. Joined they are. Yes. Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Yes, Master Yoda. And it is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we've reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, all together we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your switch. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers for now.
Your journey both begins. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, in a moment we will release you all to receive your saber sheaths from Kelly before you continue your journey into the outpost. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique, extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Tell us fire.
Tell us fire.
Now, my friends, go forth. Receive your saber sheaths. Till we meet again, it is fire.